Good morning to the world. Good morning. Big up Toronto. Big up England, Trinidad, Guyana, Jamaica. Big up yourself. Good morning, my people. Good morning, my lover. No, big up on yourself. One God, one nation, one love. Me tell you no. I'm a lover no because we talk to the no show. And they comment them funny. I'm a like them. Thank you so much. All of you know who like my stuff and leave a comment. Leave a comment so I could know you was there. Thank you because I love you. And to them I want to do one freestyle. But when I was young, because I always wanted to be a star and a movie star. When I was young, and I said to myself, say, I always a dream, me I sing, and I run up and down in the street, and people are run behind me, millions of people run behind me, my voices are echoing in the sky. And I always ask myself, what is this? What is this dream about? So maybe it's about that I was going to be a singer or something. Me don't know. You not forgot to tell me. But right now I'm going to do a freestyle. And it's just a freestyle, like when I was young. Yes, I'm going to wait for some rhythm. So people pick up on themselves. When I was young, yeah. When I was young, 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 me used to dream I'd be a star when I was young. Me used to run in at the bush behind the horse back with a little piece of stick of it practice when I was young. When I was young, when I was young, when I was young, me used to run in at the back of the house in the bush with a little piece of stick in my hand. And me I make all kind of empty can, bully can, me say and milk can, sardine can, me say and tin mackerel can. And that I make the base. A little piece of stick in my hand when I was young. Me used to run in at the bush, figure practice with a little piece of stick when I was young. I wanna be a movie star when I was young. Oh, when I was young. One time me gone down at the school, them have concert, give me the mic, fi make me sing. Me wanna give back the mic at all. Then draw the curtain for me, wrestle me, hold me down and take away the mic. Oh, when I was young. Me never know how to stop when I was young. Me used to go in on my brother's CD them and take it up and take my voice over it when I was young. Him come home and ask me what my voice had up on him CD. Me say me no know. He take a green man go lick me in my eye. Nearly blind me when I was young. When I was young. I used to tell myself that me a superstar and me get me own fast car one day. Me a go foreign when I was young. Only 10 years old. When I was young. Me used to run in at the bush and pray and ask God to show me the way. Me used to run in at the bush and wish upon the blue sky to be a movie star one day. When I was young. When I was young. Damn, I'm hungry. When I was young. When I was young. Me used to run in at the house, not do the house, make up a nice, send me a practice when I was young. When I was young, me used to run in at the back of the house, say in at the bush, while lick a piece of stick and I beat the pan them when I was young. Me say me dream to be a star when I was young, only 10 years old, when I was young. When I was young, me used to go a dance hall and I don't come out of me bed. Say me a dance hall queen. When I was young. When I was young. One girl give me one pants and he never have no elastic in the waist. And me tie piece of string around it. And go a little party and dance and the crotches bust out. Never want a panty. When I was young. When I was young. People, when I was young. When I was young. When I was young. When I was young. Freestyle. When I was young. When I was young. Me used to run in at the bush in at the back of the house, lick a piece of stick, have me a practice to be a superstar when I was young. When I was young. Me used to climb the breadfruit tree and pick a whole heap of breadfruit and roast them. And boil run down. Coconut me grater and squeeze it and boil it down. When I was young. When I was young. Me used to go a bush and get me string for set chokey. Catch no for bird, whoop a bird in it. When I was young. When I was young. Me used to set a whoop a chokey, catch a choke a lot of bird them down. Roast them down under the tree, pick off the feather. Me used to climb the coconut tree, chop off the jelly. When I was young. When I was young. Only 10 years old. I used to sing all the time. Oh, when I was young. One time my granny, she beat me. She beat me for thief her money. Yeah, she beat me for thief her money. Cause my grandmother mean and she stingy. She never want to give enough for money. Walk over school, me say 16 mile, no shoes. Me say the sun it crawl for me foot bottom. When I was young. My grandmother teach you to the umbrella, them take out the smoke and make a skirt for me. All the pitney them a map me and a cheer and a call me umbrella skirt pitney. When I was young. The rain a fall and you know me now with the umbrella skirt, the rain a fall off. Them laugh. When they see the umbrellas come my granny make for me, pitney them laugh. The pitney them laugh. Me never let me go to school when granny send me. Make me with my umbrella skirt, the pitney them all laugh. Every time she see your umbrella, she pick it up, take out the smoke, oh no, she make a top. The pitney them all laugh. She say, girl, see this skirt and me sit down make it. No matter waste me time. Grow yours a young nice lady, young nice lady. Me gonna school and the bus it a pass. We not no fear, so I walk, we a walk. The pity them a look and the pity them a laugh. Ram goat the lip and him sister them pass him call him ram goat lip. Cause him lip it skin up. Them say like when a ram goat a drop the tree goat. They call me brother him ram goat skin up. Ram goat lip skin up. Them used to laugh. One time me and my brother, them a make trouble so we a walk fast. Him pants body tear out. He never have no brief. The big black girl, she big like a Godzilla. She take a piece of stick and push in a the crease for tear out and me brother body, boy. Girl wicked man. Them days it was real sad. Jano. The girl take a piece of stick and she pushing on me brother bottom. And we a walk, him, and then we a try walk fast. But the whole pack out a pitting them back away and them a jeer and them a laugh. And me try to walk through cool in spring fast. When I was so young, me go wash up and tell the woman, me granny say fi give me money. Monday to Friday. Friday come me take $100. $100 that time a lot of money. Me buy myself enough party. Fried chicken, box milk and enough of it. Sit down and me yam the whole of it. Then me come home back. I go like me I did feel hungry. She said to me, brother, you're no good. Give your sister piece of rose planting. Me go in at the back where the pit toilet. And me dust the rose plant because me belly full. I fried chicken and all kind of cherry malt. When Saturday come, me granny's here a calling downstairs at the gate and the girl she a come. She did the bill. She said, my mommy said to tell you that this are the bill where I live at take. She take all this money. Grandmother said, girl come here. What about this? Me say, granny, me no know, ma'am. She grab a piece of stick, she start to whip me no know, ma'am. She take a piece of stick, she start to beat me no know, ma'am. Oh, granny, beat me ass so bad. We gotta go take the money and tell the woman to forgive me. She doesn't forgive me no money. Me take it. She used to give me one slice of bread a morning time with a cup of black tea. She give me 25 cents in my pocket to go to school. And that me carry. So me pull a little trick, 50 for money. Granny beat me, tell me black and blue. Oh, granny beat me. With a old shoe, oh, granny beat me. Granny beat me, all me say with this stool. Granny beat me, tell me black and blue. My sister come up with the Vaseline, funny granny beat me down. Me try to throw me granny down in a the gully and we two fall off. Granny hold on for me to where we reach. Inna the banana road, down the gully. Granny get up, take a piece of stick, and she a beat me down in the banana walk. Oh, Granny, she beat me bad, for thief her money. Oh, Granny, she beat me bad, for thief her money. She say, little girl, you so thief. She say, little girl, you too thief. So Granny say, and she beat me down. I love you guys.